Unlock your unlock your potential in the dynamic world of digital marketing with Master Digital Marketing in 2024. This comprehensive guide offers a curated selection of free courses, certification, Bangla tutorials designed to equip you with the latest skills and strategies. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your expertise, you will find resources covering SEO, social media marketing, content creation, analytics. Our user-friendly format and expert-lead session ensure you gain practical knowledge that can be applied immediately. Dive into real world projects and case studies to enhance your learning experience. Join a community of aspiring marketers and network with industry professionals. Embrace the future of marketing and take the first step towards your career advancement today. Get ready to boost your confidence and stand out in the competitive digital landscape of 2024. Start your journey now and transform your passion for marketing into a successful career.